Most CNC programmers don't struggle with machines. They struggle with visualizing what their G code is actually doing. In shops, classrooms, and interviews, I keep seeing the same problem. Manual programmers spend too much time writing and checking code. Beginners memorize G codes but don't really understand machining logic. And HR teams don't have a reliable way to test real CNC programming skills. So instead of building another CAM system, I built something different. This is an Excel-VBA based CNC programming application. Now you can see the rectangle width and height is mentioned, and it takes the center and center position, the tool detail, tool diameter, spindle detail, Z, safe, approach, cut. There are so many details. So whatever you wish, you can change and you can click generate. Your program is ready. So you can see units mm, tool end mill 6 mm. This is the process rectangle outside, sharp corners, and you can see the program. I chose Excel intentionally because it's familiar, accessible, and removes fear. There is no expensive license, no black box post processor, and no button pushing dependency. Here, you enter machining parameters visually, dimensions, depth, tools, approach values, and the application converts those input into structured readable G code. You can clearly see how input turns into logic and logic turns into a code. Every line of G code makes sense because you can trace where it came from. This is not about automation. This is about understanding how a CNC machine thinks. Right now, this version is focused only on rectangular features, and that is completely intentional. Facing, profiling, slots, and rectangular pockets are where CNC fundamentals are built. Once this logic is strong, extending to circles, standard shapes, and advanced features become natural, and those will be added step by step. This tool is useful for experienced programmers who want clean manual programs, for beginners and engineers who want to learn CNC by doing, and for HR teams who want to test real programming ability instead of resumes or CAM output. The individual version is completely free because CNC knowledge should be built, not hidden. This is not just a tool, it's a thinking framework of CNC programming. Now I will explain you how this program can be exported to a text file. Just click on this export and see your text, and this program number which is already given is taken as a file name. If you want to change, you can change it and save it wherever you like. So here the comment is showing that export is complete. If you want to go and check, you can go to your desktop. The program test is already there. So whatever program you have made there is already exported.